There we go.
Oh, here we go. Oh. Only in New Jersey, guys.
Oh. I bet you don't see this in Minnesota. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I see the bacon wrapped in hot.
You want to just put that in there, or I'll just put this underneath here for now?
We got in end of January.
Yeah, because I saw all the supplies that you got.
Yo. I'm freaking dude. I'm like,
They're good. God damn, look at that, man. Wow.
yeah, make sure to leave some for when people finally start to
Yeah,
show
I know,
up.
you're here too early.
I
You need
know.
like 3 of these.
But we only had one package of them, though. That's the sad part.
$20 to send you out and get some more.
If you were to hand me money to go get more, I would go and get more.
Wow, man. You are prepared, dude.
Oh, there's always
Yeah,
there.
this is what time? How many years has this been going?
4 or 5?
Quite a few.
This is only my 3rd or 4th.
It's been going for a while, but my wife makes notes every year, and every year I do a little better.
Yeah.
Hey, it's improvement every time. Dude, these are addicting, man.
They are.
Yeah, your husband's like, I can't stop hitting this.
I saw them out the window.
Yeah.
I had to come out.
You're like,
Well, you smelled them as soon as I arrived. I was driving down the highway and I had like 30 people chasing me. They're good. Everywhere we bring them, everyone loves them. And everyone wants more.
because I remember the first time when you brought them,
They were gone almost immediately.
and when I first had them, I only had 2 pieces, and I was trying to get back for more.
And they were gone.
Yeah.
God.
Adam Driver.
Oh.
More!
Oh. Yeah.
Though there is diet mics, it's just harder to drink the nice sugar mics. Soup.
They do. They really do taste good.
Pina coladas.
I have the coconut rum.
Yeah.
Ah.
We need the pineapple juice.
Do I need to throw you now I gotta throw you 40? I'm trying to not look at it. It's like, trying to not look at the girl, and just,
It's like,
Let's put the watermelon in front of it.
Danielson,
you
always
go.
look eye!
yeah, just block it so that way. Oh yeah, there's nothing here.
Yeah, put the watermelon in front of it.
Oh, hey, see, it kind of worked. It does.
No, it works perfectly for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
We'll put your karate to the test.
Oh man, dude.
I'll be able to go through it. It's just we're gonna end up with like a Gallagher situation. Everybody in the front row wearing raincoats.
Yeah.
Diet Crush.
Diet Crush.
I've never seen that. I've never seen that before.
Diet Crush and Diet Fanta you can't find.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I seen everything else die, but not those.
Yeah, I've never seen.
Not an orange. You can get a diet Sun Kiss, but it has caffeine, and I don't want caffeine.
Oh.
Whereas I'm on like plus the 2 cans of the 2 cans of Coke
orange, but it
and like
has
3
caffeine.
cans of Diet Pepsi. I'm like, yeah, baby.
All right, let's try this out.
Got future YouTuber over here.
Yeah.
Future YouTube sensation.
Wow, that's pretty good, man. Wow. It's like a crush, but it's without the
the sugar.
Without the
Without
sugar.
the good.
This guy.
I need to save the calories for the bacon.
There, you see, she has her priorities straight. You see that? That's why she has this right here.
Why waste it on soda when I don't have to?
Yeah, this is good, man.
So, if he gets the mini franks, the cocktail weenies, and bacon, what else do you
We have so
need?
much bacon.
Brown sugar.
We have
So
much
just
brown
cocktail
sugar.
weenies and brown sugar.
Yeah,
So just
we have
cocktail
brown
weenies.
sugar.
In fact, it's almost all gone. Thank you, Ange.
No problem.
I mean, you put this in front of me, well, you know. When
I didn't put it in front of you. You put it in front of yourself.
Oh my god, it's so
Come on,
good.
you got I just want the...
Mwah.
good soup.
So, nothing more American than that.
Yeah. So this is his body
No,
count.
not yet, but he will be soon.
+1.
Wow, guys. Very interesting. Hope for a interesting night. What an incredible place. It's really big. It's a nice garden. It's really incredible seeing a different side of New Jersey. I haven't been this for a while, so it's a great opportunity. There's a pool. Look at that sun, man. Wow. Must stay low. And we're in the woods. Wow, man. Incredible. That's what they got here. Got some fruit. Well, watermelon, and they got some cookies and some chips, and also some nuts, some condiments, and you got your utensils. And
I'm a little parched.
welcome to Gavin's cooking show, where we give tips to the ground and ground them here.
Groundbreaking tips.
Groundbreaking tips.
So you want to roll these up nice and tight, like you're tucking them into bed, like a kidnapped child.
Okay.
72,000 miles. So you take your pork strips, you put your pork rolls into the pork strips, and you skewer them like Vlad the Impaler.
Okay, there you go, man.
Someone can make a trip to the... I'm not making that trip again. I'm not drunk, but I can't drive. What's going on? Well, you can drive your miserable...
Stop. Yeah, man. Lights? Oh. Jets?
Yeah, hands should be.
Oh my god.
Only New Jersey.
Yo. Yeah, you know how it feels. It's like the same thing like this one. Yeah. Feel that?
It's all on my back, right here.
Yeah, man. It's a nice massage, man. Feel that?
Quinn's playing footsies with me. That's not true.
Oh, yes. Yeah. That's pretty. Hey, you're right. That was good. It's with the cream. Wow, it's really good. Wow. There we go. Whoa, look at that.
Now it's just going to slowly.
I know everyone's dying. Oh my god.
So awesome.
I see something.
Yeah, you see something, yeah.
Probably cost like 20 minutes.
Kill boy. Yeah, kill boy. Kill boy.
Could you please make one for me?
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th. You did?
Happy Independence Day.
Down with the British! Down with the British!
We love you.
Down with the red coats!
I only have one more.
Oh God, he got in my eye. Joe, Handsome Joe, Stretch Joe. Oh my God, yes.
I call me, but anyway. So, or is
For Slim Jim.
yeah.
And it's fireworks time.
Yeah, we gotta get the board out.
That's seating position though. You're not supposed to sit, right?
Gavin, don't jump. Oh, not yet, not yet. But, ooh, it's getting there. It's getting, oh, it's getting. Yeah. As you can see, it's complete darkness.
Wow. and then it didn't go. There you go.
Ah, here we go. Oh my god, he's laying. He's down, man.
I'm so serious. It's been like, these past couple of years, it's been.
That was awesome.